Hello guys, it's one here again with you today. So this is a Nokia smartphone. Sorry, it's not a smartphone, a feature phone. Let me just open the switch so you see what we have here. Boom. This is a Nokia 5310. This is a feature phone, guys. This is not an Android phone, this is not a smartphone, this is a feature phone. It's called feature phone. So what does this phone have for us? This is a Nokia device, a 2.4 display screen, dual speakers, FM radio, MP3 player, so they just look about the same, guys. The two phones. This one is bigger than this one, and wow, Nokia. So I'm not doing a comparison video with these two, but I'm just showing you what Nokia has for us here. So let me put the battery. Get started. So it has two SIM, one SIM 2, and this is your SD card. This is where you put your SD card. This is where you put in your charger and your earpiece. Just like the way this phone is designed, guys. So this is the button for music. You know, this is Nokia. Okay, in case you don't, this is Nokia 5310, and this is Xpressmusic. The Nokia Xpressmusic, which you know back from 2007 or 2005, I don't know. This is the 2020 version. So this phone was launched this year. This is the Nokia Xpressmusic, guys. So I don't know why this camera refuses to focus, but it has a power button. Okay, this is volume button, volume minus, volume plus, volume minus, pause and play. I don't know if you can see it. And it's very light in the hand. I think it's lighter than this one. Yes, it's lighter than this one. So this is it has dual speakers. This is the upward speaker, and this is the downward speaker. This thing will be so loud. So let's just input the battery and get started. So it has two SIM 1, SIM 2, and this is for SD card. This is where you put your SD card. This is where you put in your charger and your earpiece. So guys, let me turn this on. Yeah, this is where it looks so sweet. I prefer this one to this one, guys. I like the way it's built. I prefer this to this. I like the red finish here, the red touch here, and all that. Wow. So guys, it's Nokia for you. It's Nokia for you guys. Let me cover this thing. English. Wow, guys, this I like. Oh God, this device is so wonderful. Like this, as you can see, this is more advanced than this one. Look at the menu. You can see it's very different. You can see this one has colors. This one is just black, white and the orange. So you see, this one comes with the look at the. I look like the way if you even have Assassin's Creed and other games come with it. So there it is. I like the device. I like it, nothing to complain about. Let me check the camera. Wow. The camera on this thing is excellent, guys. Yeah, look at the camera on this thing. Like very surprising. So guys, that's just it. This one. So guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will go a long way in promoting my channel on YouTube, guys. So this is the Nokia 310 Xpressmusic. I'll encourage you people to get this phone. It's like if you have the money, you have enough spend, you can get this device. It will serve you very well and it will last very long. I see. So, and because I see it sounds so good. Let me do a video so I can check the sound of it. So guys, that's just it. Thank you so much for your time. You have come to the end of this video. See you on the next one. Peace.